Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Music Mini speaker. So as you can see, it's actually quite small. Let's take a look at the specifications. So we've got support for phones, laptops, tablets, PCs, and it also supports MicroSD card. So whatever a mini micro card is, we've got a modular buddy jack design. So it's basically designed to be able to work with multiple such speakers in an array, and we've got 45 drivers, which is quite large actually. And so we've got some more specs here. We've got about 5 hours of battery life. We've got 95 dB, which isn't that loud, and it takes about 2 hours to charge. So let's take a look inside and actually get these speakers out. It actually is quite small in size, nothing else inside the box. Let's keep that aside. So here you have the Music Mini speaker. So we've got a MicroSD card, we've got a USB type A slot. What we're assuming is volume control, and that old button over there, which basically lit the mic up, is the Bluetooth connection. So if you just turn this on, you can actually hear it saying
Bluetooth mode.
Yeah, there you have it. So that's about it to the Music Mini speakers. Thanks for watching.